going to walk you all through three massive real-world traps that are sweeping across the country right this second. One of them is a multi-million-dollar corporate impersonation trick hitting our homes. The second is a dirty little trap waiting for you out in public when you leave your house. And the third is a scheme that plays directly on your family's safety. If you want to protect your hard-earned money, you need to know exactly what these traps look like before you get hit. Let's look at the first one. Okay? Take a look at what I have written here on my screen. The words, urgent, your Prime membership has expired, or renewal fee increasing to $199. This right here, that's a corporate impersonation trap, and it's targeting Amazon users because almost everyone uses Amazon, and these scammers know they have numbers game on their side. But now here's the dirty part. They change the delivery system depending on who you are. If you are someone who prefers checking your mail on a laptop or a home computer, they are flooding your email box with highly professional looking letters. These letters, they have the Amazon logo stamped right on top. They use the big screen because they know we tend to trust it a little bit more, all right, as opposed to our phones. You see a notice saying your account is locked or your fee is skyrocketing to $199, you panic. You impulsively click the link to cancel it. Now, if you're on a cell phone, they skip the long email entirely. They send a short text message that says something like, action required, fix your Amazon billing link below. They know on a small phone screen, you're moving fast, all right? You're distracted in a checkout line or sitting at a red light, not that you're supposed to be on your phone at the light, but you're highly likely to just tap it with your thumb without thinking. But whether it comes to your computer or your phone, the trap ends the exact same way. When you click that link, a page opens up that looks identical to the real Amazon login screen, but it's a dummy site. The second you type in your username and password to fix the problem, you didn't log in to Amazon. You just handed your total account directly to a criminal. And within minutes, they log into your real account, lock you out, and completely change your recovery details and start draining your linked cards and accounts by purchasing digital gift cards. So to protect yourself, here is the golden rule, and I want you to share this with your parents, your kids, and your neighbors, all right? Amazon will never send you a link via text or random email asking you to update your billing or membership. Never, ever, okay? If you get a scary message on your computer or your phone, do not click the link. Instead, go on Amazon into your phone or your account, the official Amazon app, directly and go to your message center inside your account settings. If Amazon really sent you a warning, a copy of that message will be sitting safely inside your official app. If it's not there, the message you receive is a total lie. Throw it in the trash, all right? Now, this second one is something you may run into the next time you drive downtown, go to a restaurant, or visit a public parking spot, something like that. It's a brand new term called quishing, okay? Which is just a fancy word for a fake QR code scam, all right? Now, a lot of us have gotten used to scanning those little black and white square codes with our phones. You scan it to see a menu at a restaurant, or you scan it on a parking meter, all right, to pay for your spot instead of digging around in your car, your bag or something for a bunch of quarters. Now, the bad actors figured out a low-tech way to exploit that. They are printing out high-quality stickers of their own fraudulent QR codes, all right, and walk up to public parking meters or signs or restaurant menus and they're taping it right over, all right, the official ones. So you think, imagine you're in a rush and you pull into a parking spot. You see a sticker on the meter that says scan here to pay. You scan it because you're late. You're late for your date, okay? You're late for your court date, all right? It looks professional, all right? And it takes you to a payment screen that pops up and you type in your credit card details and you walk away thinking you paid for parking. But you didn't pay for parking. You just sent your credit card number to a scam center overseas. And you're probably going to still get a real parking ticket from the city because the meter shows you never paid, okay? Listen, next time you go to scan a QR code on a public surface, I want you to do the physical integrity test. Use your fingernail, okay, and feel the edges. See if you can scrape it a little bit, the edges of that QR code. Is it a sticker pasted over the top of the metal? Does it feel like it can peel off? All right. If it looks like it was slapped on after the fact, don't scan it. All right. Dig for your loose change or just order from a menu another way. When it comes to parking, the official parking app, you can download it from the App Store yourself. Don't let a convenient sticker drain your bank account. Now, this next one makes my blood boil a little bit because it relies on your desire to keep your household safe. It's the fake product recall scam. This one arrives as an email or text, and it might say something like important safety notice, all right? An item you purchased has been recalled due to a fire hazard. Click here to claim your immediate refund. Okay, think about it. How clever this is, all right? Because we buy so many random household items online these days. When we see a safety warning, our brains, they automatically go to, oh no, what did I buy? What is it? Is it that blender? All right, was it that heater I just bought? We worry about our homes and our families. So we click the link to see what is the danger. What's the danger about? But just like the other traps, that link takes you to a spoofed web page designed to do one of two things. Either harvest your bank routing numbers so they can deposit your refund or trick you into downloading a malicious file onto your phone or your computer that tracks your keystrokes. If a real company has a product recall, they will notify you through official channels, or it will be posted on official sites like the Consumer Product Safety Commission or even the FDA. If you're worried, go to the official website of the manufacturer or check your verified purchase history directly. Never trust a text message or email that tries to get you to click a link. All right? The rule of thumb is simple. Urgency is almost always a trap. Whenever a text message or an email tells you that you have to act right now, whether it's because your account is expiring, your parking session is running out, or a product is dangerous. It's that urgency. That urgency is designed to stop you from thinking clearly. Take a breath. Put your phone down for 5 seconds and check things out through the official app or website on your own terms. I wanted to share this today because it's just been on my heart seeing how fast these tricks are moving lately. And, we've got to look out for each other. So do me a favor. If you have a friend or a family member who uses their phone or computer every day, please share this with them. All right? Share this with them. And before you go, if this content helped you, hit subscribe. It's free and it helps to push these videos to other people who may not know.